Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Beyoutiful Fascino. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of dry and chapped lips or how to exfoliate your lips. Dry lips are very annoying. Because of it, your lips look dull and dehydrated, which is not good. When you apply lipstick, especially matte lipstick, it starts getting separated from the center, leaving them cracked or chapped. This 1 minute hack will help your lips to get that moisture. All you need is a brush and Vaseline. You can use any lip balm you have, taking generous amount of Vaseline and applying it on your lips properly. Take your brush and gently rub on your lips for a minute. Make sure that you don't rub it too harsh. Now this hack really works. It helps to get back that hydration and moisture to your lips. After doing this, grab a tissue or cotton, whatever you have, and wipe it off. And that's it. With this one hack, your lips will look more plump and smooth. You can try this step before going to bed at night or before applying your makeup, 20 to 30 minutes before applying. Lipstick is the last step in makeup, so when you will apply lipstick, till then your lips will be properly moisturized and plumped and it will appear more bright and natural. Hope you found this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. We'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.